Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy LIX Onyx Wide. In this video I'll show you how to create macro. In the beginning, let's go to Endorfy software. Now enter key settings, select profile and next select button. For example, let's select DPI loop button. Here you can go to macro, and now create a new macro. Enter the name. Now select cycle times or automatic recording time delay, cycle until the key released and pressed. Next you can select insert event and then simply start recording. Now you can modify it, delete it or stop recording. Tap save and the macro is enabled. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.